Hello, this is Julia and Gregory at Team Tsougranis Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to our newest exclusive at 2244 Bronx Park East.
It's raining quality sponsor units in one of my favorite nooks in the Bronx. We're in Pelham Parkway North, right across from Reese Field. We have a beautiful park. You also have the number 2 and the 5 train for those commuters going into the city, and quick access to the Bronx River Parkway. So come on inside and get ready to fall in love. This is the first of many sponsor units coming down the pipeline. 2K is the unit we'll be viewing today, which is legally a 1. However, they do have an additional second room which could be used as an office space or as a bedroom due to the large square footage. The entranceway has a double door, so you have a vestibule area with the latest technology in terms of access to the units from guests. As you can see, you have a large lobby. In one corner, you have access to the mail area. You also have access to a laundry room and a door leading to the garage parking. And let's not forget the elevator.
This fully renovated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and timeless subway-style backsplash.
This is a forward-facing, sun-drenched unit. Typical of the pre-war period, it consists of a large square footage. You also have 3 closets as you enter, a primary bedroom, and a secondary flex room which could be used either as a second bedroom or as an office. Would you use the second flex room as an office space or as a second bedroom?
The primary bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size bed, and it's also equipped with a spacious closet. And last but not least, you also have a fully renovated bathroom. Call Team Tsougranis today and make this beauty yours.
This baby will not last.